Our vocabulary words for this week are scrounging, trying to obtain or collect something with difficulty. Number two, acquaintance. An acquaintance is someone you know, but they're not a close friend. Three is cautiously. Remember that suffix "ly" means it's an action. It's an adverb. It's to do something with care. Number four is complementary. That means that it makes something whole or complete. We talk about colors being complementary or different items that would complement each other. When they're together, they're complete and they're whole. Number five is jumble, a confused mixture or condition. Logical is number six. If something's logical, it makes sense. It's based on reason. Number seven, scornfully. This one has two suffixes. We have the full and we have the ly. And scornfully means that you're saying something or doing something in a way that shows dislike or that you are possibly making fun of something or someone. And number eight is trustworthy. Means to be reliable and dependable.